Listen. I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't turn off the light. I didn't close the bedroom door. I heard a noise upon the floor. I didn't know what it could be. Something was waiting there for me. Did you see the ghost? No, I couldn't see. Did you hear the scream? No, not me. Did you feel the cold? Yes, I did. Did you try to hide? Yes, I hid. Questions in the dark, answers in the air. Did you go downstairs? I didn't dare. She didn't walk, she ran away. She didn't have a word to say. We didn't stay inside the house, quiet as a little mouse. They didn't believe the things we said about monsters underneath the bed. Did you see the ghost? No, I couldn't see. Did you hear the scream? Did you feel the cold? Yes, I did. Did you try to hide? Yes, I hid. Questions in the dark, answers in the air. Did you go downstairs? I didn't dare. Why didn't you call? Why didn't you cry? Did you see the shadow passing by? I didn't wanna be alone. I didn't even have my phone. See, did you hear the scream?